Hello and welcome back to this channel. Good evening to all of you. Hope you all are well. So today we will discuss a job openings from African country. So guys, if you have a dream to move African country with a job, then keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings and how to apply. Everything details we can discuss in this video. So let's start and get know what is the job openings from Africa. So the requirement for line manager in Central Africa, urgently looking for line manager for beverage manufacturing group to be based out of Central Africa. So the job position is line manager and the location will be Central Africa. Though incumbents candidate must have experience into SIDEL machine. Qualification should be graduation in engineering, mechanical or electrical or electronics. Automation experience is added advantage. Candidate must have work experience of minimum 6 to 8 years in beverage manufacturing process lines. Should have hands-on experience on Sidel Matrix lines. Having exposure on asset care maintenance, preventive maintenance systems of line equipments. Having African experience is an advantage, and kindly email your profile to the given official email ID. So guys, the thing is, this is a urgent job vacancies from Central African country. So if you have the proper qualifications and experience, of course you can apply for this job. So the thing is, you should have the proper qualifications and proper skills and proper experience to apply for this job. So guys, let's move to next job. Next job is for quality manager. So one of our client is looking for a quality manager role with 5 years of experience in QA or QC, best preparation HACCP, ISO 2200 in beverage, dairy, fruit juice industry. The location best for this role is in the Central Africa, and the candidates should have quality BE, B.Tech, Food, B.Sc, Food Science. Interested candidate kindly send your CV to the given official email ID. So guys, the thing is, for a quality manager, you should have the proper experience, minimum of 5 years in QA or QC in batch preparation, and the location will be Central Africa, and your qualification should be BE, B.Tech, Food or B.Sc, Food Science. So if you have the proper qualifications and experience, please share your CV and all documents to the given official email ID. So be prepare your CV and a cover letter and your passport scan copy and your educational details and your experience certificates. All details you have to gather in PDF file and you have to send in this official email ID. So guys, this is the urgent vacancies from of Central Africa, and the first job is line manager. And for line manager, if you want to apply, then you should have the proper experience and proper qualifications as per mentioned right here by the company. And second is quality manager. So for quality manager, you should have the proper experience minimum of 5 years in QA and best preparation, and you should have the B.Sc science, food science or B.Tech qualifications. If you are fulfilling all the educational qualification and experience, then only you can apply by this official email ID. So I hope you understand all the things. If you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give your answer. And please share this information to your friends, relatives who want to move African country for the same job and having the same experience and same qualifications. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will try to give you the information regarding abroad job and my suggest for job seekers who are looking for a abroad job. Please keep patience and try to apply all job openings so that you can get experience for interview and so that you can get experience for process. Everything details you will get to know. So my sincere request, please apply for job openings and try to apply more to more so that you can gain experience, and one day we will crack the interview and of course you can get a abroad job. So the thing is, you have to keep patience and you should have the proper knowledge, proper skills, proper experience, and you should have the confidence, you should have the patience to wait, because this is the long process. in every country, if you want to move with a job, then you have to wait, you have to process in the proper way, you have to apply, you have to crack the interview, everything. So you should wait for the process, you should better perform in interview, everything you need to keep in mind, and you need to do it carefully. So I hope you understand all the things. Lots of thanks again for everything. Best of luck.